Hi children, before class we are discussing about the Roman numbers. In that Roman numbers first chapter is completed. Now it is going on second chapter. The second chapter name is operations. Operations of large numbers. See, in that first chapter we are discussing about the large numbers. In that large numbers I taught Indian system, international systems and predecessor and successor. Next one nearest tens, hundreds and thousands and smaller than, greater than numbers and ascending and descending order over. In that large number subtopic is Roman numbers. In that Roman numbers also I completed till yesterday. Further in that subtopic Roman numbers and large numbers is completed before topics. Now today topic is new chapter, that is the four operations on large numbers. What is the four operations? Which is the those? What are those will means? See, four operations means in our daily life we will use the operations depend on the four symbols. First it will be is a addition symbol, then subtraction symbol, multiplication symbol and division symbols. Okay, for the addition symbol we will call is a plus. Addition symbol we will call is plus. The subtraction symbol we will call is minus, and the third one is multiplication, that is we will call is into. Then fourth one is division, is divided by. Okay, these total max is depending on these four operations only. For the operations, first operation symbol is addition. In our daily life, whenever we are woke up morning time to whenever we are sleeping, every time everything calculation is depend on only these four operation symbols. First of all, actually addition and subtraction, these two operation symbols will be more useful daily life. After that, multiplication and division. See, for example, in anyone we are going to outside, we will taking something means is buying means if the two things we will buy, it will be amount of two things. We have to add it, both we are adding and giving to the shopkeeper and purchasing the things. By that way we will add the remaining things also. First we are discussing about plus means addition symbol, how to addition, how addition is having how many properties, and remaining also I will explain. First topic is addition. First one is addition. Additions, what mean? See here, first one in addition, first I will take the two numerical numbers. In that 6-digit numerical numbers I will take. In the two numerical symbols I will apply the first operation symbol, that is a plus. Then vertical method also is there, and two methods are there for the addition. One is the vertical method and one is horizontal method. When in daily life we will use only vertical method maximum. Then horizontal also is there. First I will explain about the vertical method. For example, see, 8,93,725. 8,93,725 plus 5,62,493. This is the two numerical numbers are there. First we will arrange the according to the place value. First one I will write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Only six digits are there. I wrote in the six place values. I wrote first place value is y. First we have to write from here to here or here to, you can write it, or any first here write down here also. See, first ones we have to write anywhere from the right to left, you can left to right you can write, but the second, whenever you are writing second numerical symbol, numerical number, we have to write from the right to left, we have to write, because of according to the place values we have to write. Whatever first number we will write the left to right or right to left, whatever it will be we can write, but second number compulsorily we have to write from the right side to left side. First one is ones place is first digit is 5 is there. Then in the second numerical number ones place is there. Same we have to write down only place value, ones place value only we can write. Don't write into the tens place value, because of if you will write 3 in tens place, the tens place the value it will be changed. Only ones place value to ones place value, tens place value to the tens place value. 4 is it will be 100 place, 2 it will be thousands place, 5 it will be 6 it will be 10,000 place, 5 it will be lakhs place. You can draw the line. Okay, we can draw the line. See which symbol we are operating, then addition symbol we are operating. How to add the numbers? See here, first take 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is a 8. 5 plus 3 is a 8. The next one, 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. It will be is 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. Don't write the tens place. Tens place is having 2-digit number. No, only here only one digit is there. We have to write always only one digit into the place value. That's why don't write the two place value, 2 digits same vertically. Then first one, 11 is having 2 digits. Whatever first one, ones place and tens place, it will be divided 2 times. Then first place plus ones place you have to write to the down of the tens place. Then this is the carry forward to the 100 place. Carry means we have to write up on the vertically, we have to write up on the first row. Okay na? See here, 7 carry 1 plus 7, carry 1 plus 7. Carry 1 means what? We have to add. Always we can add. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12. 12 again it will be already 2-digit number. In the 2-digit number, first one we can take ones place value we can take in the hundreds place you can write. Then second one we have to write to the thousands place carry. You can write in the thousands place. Don't write front. Only this one is carry forward to the next to place value. Next place value. The next one, see one, carry plus 1 3. It will be is a 4. 4 plus 2 is a 6. 6 is a only 1-digit number. Okay, 6 is a 1-digit number. That's why only directly you can write here. If your number is whenever we are adding 2 digits, we will get the 2 digits, 1 digit down, we can write the second digit goes to the carry forward. Only if 1 digit it will be, we can write directly here. Okay, we got some, it will be, we can write directly here. Next here, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is a 15. 9 plus 6 is a 15. 15 is also having 2-digit number. 5 is goes to, we have to write the down place value of 10,000 place. 5 is we have to write place value of 10,000 place. Then 1 is carry forward to the lakhs place. 1 is carry forward to the lakhs place. Then see here, 8 plus 1. 8 plus carry 1. Always carry means we have to compulsory add the number. Okay, add to the digit. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Yes, 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 see here, 14 first one you can write according to the whatever I am first time saying, you can write the 4 compulsory here. Then 1 also to the carry forward. Lakhs place also after 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs period is there? No. No place values. Any place value is in front of lakhs place? No. We got already 14. We can write the directly 14. Then 14 lakhs 56,218. We got the sum. We added 2 numbers. That is will be we got 14 lakhs 56,218. First one, whatever we wrote up, we wrote no, we got the number. This one we will call is a carry. This one we have addends. Addends. Sum of 2 addends. Whatever we got total, we will say it will be is a sum. Okay? Whatever we got total, we will call that is a sum. Isn't it? This one is carry. Is what we wrote rounded. I rounded no. Those numbers we will call is a carry. Whatever, whenever we are adding to vertical numbers, whenever we got the 2 digit, those 2 digit, 1 digit we wrote down. Then second digit we will keep up on the vertical on the before place values. Those ones we will call is a carry. Then whatever we are added to the, we will call is addend. Total this total we got the answer. This one we will call is a sum. What we will call? This one is a sum. See, in the next one, only 2 numerical numbers is there. If the number is having 2 same digits, here 6 digits is there, second one also 6 digits is there. That directly I wrote to the 111, I arranged in the vertically, I added directly. If sum is having 5 digits, if the sum of the 6-digit number and 5-digit number, how to add? Next one, 2 digit number, 4 digit number and 5 digit number. 3 or 4 numbers, numerical numbers if you will give, how to add the, how to write the vertically and how to add the numbers, numerical numbers, how to apply the addition symbol, I will explain in the next topic. Then how to addition means, whenever we got the problem on addition, each of the number to be added is called, each of the number, which one is there here? First one, 8,93,725, 5,62,492, each of these numbers 93, these are, each of the number is added is called is a addends. Then total is we will call is a sum. Whatever we are number, it will be 2 digits. Whenever we are writing to the before number, this one we will call is a carry. Okay children, this next session I will explain the more digits. Okay, thank you.